Sum number 62. Find the number which is equal to its own square root. So there is a number which matches with its own square root value. For example, if we take 4 and if we find its square root of 4 means I have to show it as a multiplication of two similar numbers, and then I have to take out the single number from there. So 4, if I find the square root of 4, I get 2. Similarly, if I take 9 and find the square root of 9, I get 3. So the number and the square root value never matches, but there is again one number which matches with its own square root value. For example, if I take 1 and if I want to find the square root, which two numbers multiplication can give me 1? 1 into 1 only can give me 1. And if I take out of the two numbers a single number to take out the square root of the square root, I can see the result of square root matches with the number itself. So here also the answer is 1. So 1 is the only number which matches with its own square value. If you square or multiply the same number twice, then also you get 1. And 1 is the number which matches with its square root value. So if you find the square root also, you will see that the answer matches with the number. So 1 is a unique type of number whose square and the square root value is equal to the number itself, which is not possible for any other numbers excepting 1. Sum number 63. Find the square of 5. So here you can see you have done sums that where you need to do find the square of 5. Square of 5 means 5 is the number, you square it means multiply it 2 times, you get the value. But here the question is find the square of 5. So square is coming 2 times. So what does the question say you if I write in mathematical terms? Find the square of what thing? Of square of 5. Again, if I repeat, find the square of which thing? Square of 5. So square of 5. So we have to solve this. So we will go from inside to outside solving. So 5 square means 5 into 5, which is 25. So we have solved 5 square. Now we are left with only the outside squaring part, which shows you 25 square has to be done. That means 25 into 25. If we do, we are arriving at the answer 625. So repeating once more, what we need to do over here, find the square of 5. So we have to find the square of what thing? Square means multiplying 2 times of what? Of square of 5. And how we will solve? We will solve internally. Square of 5 means 5 is multiplied 2 times. So first we are writing 25, solving the internal thing, and then we have to find, after getting the result of 5 square, we are still left out with the outside square. So whatever result we have got, I have to square again in order to arrive at the final result. So 25 is the result, and we have to again do square of the thing. So 25 into 25 will give us 625. This is the final result. find the square root of 81. So instead of square, here the question is find the square root of, if I write it mathematically, find the square root of what? Square root of 81. So 2 times the square root sign will come. Find the square root of which thing? Of the square root of 81. So we will again solve from inside out. So first we will solve the inside square root of 81. Now 81, which two numbers multiplication gives 81? And always remember which two similar numbers multiplication gives 81. We have to write. So 9 into 9, same numbers when multiplied twice gives 81. Now, how to remove from this inner square root? If I take out of the two similar numbers only one number, I can remove out of the inside square root. So, but the outside square root will still remain. So the answer of the inner square root is 9, and we are not giving the square root sign, but the outside square root is still remaining. So now the question is having only, now the solving is having only one square root. Now instead of 9, I have to write it as a multiplication of two similar numbers, because if I want to take out of this square root, I have to do the thing. So 9 can be shown as a multiplication of 3 into 3. So if I want to remove outside the square root, if I want to remove the square root, out of the two similar numbers, I have to take out only 1, 3. So this is the answer of the question number 64. So step by step we are doing. 2 square root sign and 81. First we will solve the inner square root by breaking 81 as a multiplication of two similar numbers. Then out of the square root we can only write, if I take only one number out of the two, so I am only taking one number, and again I have to find the square root. The outside square root is still remaining, so I have to break it and show as a multiplication of 3 into 3, and finally, final step, to remove this square root, I have to take out only one number. So the answer is 3.